We're putting some hardware to the test, and you're about to see why cheaping out is a huge gamble. When discount eyelets face a simple tension test, well, the results are pretty catastrophic. So what's really going wrong here? We're going inside to find the flaws suppliers hope you never see. To protect their margins, manufacturers are turning to some really risky budget-tier hardware. And this is the magic number that tempts them, a 15% upfront saving on bulk orders. But as our teardown shows, there's a hidden cost that completely wipes out those savings. We're talking a massive 200% jump in product returns. That small win, it's now a huge loss. Our teardown found 3 critical failure points. Let's get into the first piece of evidence. All right, failure number 1 starts with a part of the eyelet called the flange. See, high-quality eyelets have a nice uniform flange. The discount ones, they're all over the place. Just how inconsistent are we talking? We found the thickness can vary by as much as 30%. That unevenness basically creates a knife's edge, letting the eyelet slice right through the fabric. Okay, on to evidence number 2, the brittle alloy, or as we call it, the shatter factor. Instead of good brass or steel, discount suppliers often use cheap, recycled zinc-heavy mixtures. These mystery metals lack something called ductility. Basically, they're brittle and just weak. So tiny fractures form during installation, causing the whole thing to literally crumble under normal use. And that brings us to our final piece of evidence, the finish, or the plating on the surface. Turns out, this cheap plating just flakes off, exposing that weak base metal right to the elements. So you've got the uneven flange, brittle alloy, and the flaking finish, a perfect storm for failure. It really proves the point, right? The cheapest part often becomes the most expensive failure. So it leaves one big question. Are you really saving money or just paying for future returns?